Okay, so I haven't been doing unboxings lately because, well, you guys don't like them. And also, I mean, you don't watch them. So I got to do this one because I'm excited. I'm so excited. And I just can't, well, never mind. I ain't going to make you listen to that. But we are going to unbox it with the PM2. 8,000 something, 500 and something, maybe 9,000 and something open so far. 10,000. We're going to take another look at it. So, what do we have here? That's kind of, oh, what is that? Ooh. So, there is, oh, never mind. I'll give it away. No doubt this is a real Spyderco. Because Blade HQ does not sell fakes. Just so you know. And now I got two Blade HQ thingies. What have we got here? A Spyderco. And if you'll remember, the box is just like the other real Spyderco. And there's a sticker on it, which is usually not on a fake Spyderco. So what does that look like? That is a Shaman. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna put it back in, and you get to see the first part, the unboxing. This is gonna be a separate video because nobody's gonna watch it. But we're gonna come back again, and we're gonna do a review on this baby. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.